Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Masterclass and Skillshare, which is better. Alright, let's begin. When comparing Skillshare and Masterclass in 2025, it's clear that both platforms aim to educate and inspire, but they do so in very different ways. The best one for you depends on your learning style, budget, and what kind of knowledge or skills you want to gain. While both offer subscription based access to video courses, the overall experience, teaching style, and focus areas of Skillshare and Masterclass are uniquely tailored. Skillshare is widely known for its practical, hands on approach. It focuses heavily on creative skills such as graphic design, illustration, photography, video editing, and writing. Business, productivity, and lifestyle courses are also available. The platform features thousands of bite-sized classes, many under 30 minutes, and often includes project-based assignments that help you apply what you've learned. Because anyone can become an instructor, the quality can vary, but Skillshare's community ratings and reviews help guide learners toward high-quality content. With a single subscription, you gain unlimited access to all courses, making it ideal for users who want to explore a variety of topics at their own pace. Masterclass, by contrast, is designed for those who seek inspiration and insight from world-renowned experts. Instead of everyday instructors, you're learning from the likes of Gordon Ramsay, Shonda Rhimes, Serena Williams, or Neil deGrasse Tyson. Each class is beautifully produced with cinematic video quality and in-depth storytelling. While the content is rich and often thought-provoking, it's less about teaching step-by-step skills and more about learning philosophy, creative process, and mindset. Courses are structured more like documentaries or interviews, and they typically span a few hours across several lessons. When it comes to pricing, both platforms are subscription-based. Skillshare tends to be more affordable and frequently offers free trials. Masterclass, however, has a higher annual fee, justified by its premium production and celebrity-led content. But it's worth noting that Masterclass doesn't offer individual course purchases, everything is bundled under one membership. So, in order to decide which is the best online course platform, you have to follow these steps. Consider what you want to learn, how you prefer to learn, and whether you're more inspired by action or philosophy. If you're looking to develop creative or practical skills through real-world projects, Skillshare is a better fit. But if you want to be inspired by the greatest minds and learn through storytelling and insight, Masterclass delivers a truly premium experience. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.